Rainbocorn rescue! Lost her sparkle. Just apply 3 pounds of glitter and call us in the morning. Of course! When Rainbocorns need rescuing, we're out here rescuing Rainbocorns. We're still working on our slogan. What can I do for you, Daxel? Oh my! You have the hiccups!
What brings you in today? Whoa! The hiccups! These can be very difficult to fix. I have a few ideas. First, let's try holding our breath. Great. Now count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa! These aren't just regular hiccups, they're atomic hiccups, which are worse. Much worse. Not sure if that was clear.
Thank you for calling Rainbocorn rescue? Oh no! I've got hiccups too!
Contagious atomic hiccups! Okay, I have something else we can try.
We're desperate! We'll try anything!
I'm gonna scare you.
Aww. It's no use. You're just too cute to be scary.
Let me try one more time. Think scary thoughts. Glitter and cupcake shortages. Stolen rainbows. Puppycorns who don't want to play. I think it worked!
Please don't ever do that again.
Another patient cured by Dr. Nala. Uh-oh.
How cool is it we were invited to bake our famous cherry chewy cake on Rainbow TV?
Yeah! Can't wait to show off our totally amazing baking skills.
Missy! Welcome to Rainbow TV. I'll be helping you set up for the cooking segment. Thanks for having us, Missy. Posh, can you make sure we have everything for the cake in the back?
You got it, boss. It's all here. Vegetable oil, flour and sugar, cherries, and a puppycorn egg.
A puppycorn egg?
Aw, she's so cute.
And so hungry.
Oh no! Save the ingredients!
No! Save me! Whew. Thanks, Missy. That was a close one.
What should we do with her?
Whatever you do, do it quick. You're on in 5. How are we going to make this puppycorn happy and get all this stuff into the studio in time?
I've got an idea! Okay, the ingredients are inside.
How did you know that would work?
I had a feeling this puppycorn was helpful and hungry. I might have also promised her the cake when we were done.
Are you ready? You're on! You're on in 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to Rainbow TV. We're here to bake our famous chewy cherry cake.
First, you pour your flour and sugar into a bowl.
Oh. I told you she was helpful.
And still hungry.
Hey, a promise is a promise.
That climb up Mount Rainbow Sparkle was so fun! What should we do next?
I can't feel my everything.
Oh, I know! A hula hoop contest!
Hey, isn't that a new egg? Make sure this new Rainbocorn takes a nap after hatching. All Rainbocorns need naps or they'll get crabby. Love, Nala. A nap sounds really great.
Naps? There's too many other fun things to do. Oh, a baby kitty corn! Welcome to the world, little one! What should we do first?
Missy, Nala says we should get the new kitty corn to nap. So let's get to napping.
Posh, does she look like she needs a nap?
Yes, she does. First step to napping is a perfectly fluffy pillow. Ugh, that's not helping.
Okay, Posh, how about this? Ta-da!
Step 2 is having the comfiest blanket to cuddle with.
There! Now she's all cozy. Bubbles?
Oh, sparkly fiddlesticks! Where'd she go? Aw, she's all tuckered out.
Let's help her get snuggly. Ooh, maybe napping isn't so bad after all.
Sparkly fiddlesticks. Now I can't sleep. So many Rainbocorns have hatched, and there's only one egg left.
She's here! But she's missing her horn!
That can't be! All Rainbocorns' magic comes from their horn. No horn, no magic! Come on, Posh. Come on, Posh. Ideas to fix this. I got it! I'll be right back. Ta-da! If it looks like a horn,
Maybe it will act like a horn. Let's give it a try.
okay. Next idea? Because it's a horn instrument. Don't worry, Corny. We'll fix this for you somehow.
Oh, how about a group hug? That always makes me feel better.
Look, Corny! You're sparkling!
And it's gone again.
So if hugging makes horns appear, we have to hug harder!
What's this? A Rainbocorn sandwich?
Corny hatched last, and she doesn't have a horn, and we have been trying all sorts of things to help her get a horn, and nothing is working!
I know what to do. Follow me. It's the Rainbocorns way to make magic and play. First touch your horn like this. Go on, Corny. Then spin like this. Your friends are magic and so are you. Do this dance when you're feeling blue.
Corny! Your horn! It's back!
Exciting adventures inside just for you. Love the Xania Rainbocorns. Let's open it up. Hatching Xania eggs. Perfect timing. Wait, shouldn't they be sparkly? When Xania corns arrive in town, they might look a little bit down. But if you find a talent and a mini egg around, their sparkle will be found. Wow! They need to find a talent and an egg. We should help them find their Rainbocorn sparkle by putting on a Xania Mania talent show! But the eggs! We need the mini eggs to find their sparkle too! Rory, your talent is singing. I can feel it! Oh? Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, we've got a lot of work to do. Oh? Nala, where were you? We could have really used your help. Looking for the mini eggs. The The mini egg will give you exactly what you need to sparkle. Sparkle-tastic! Now you're ready for the talent show! OMG! Whoa, I knew it! They all found their own special Exania talent. And look, they're getting their sparkle!
Almost time for the Rainbocorn Rescue Grand Opening! Are the Puppycorns ready to hatch? Where are the Puppycorns?
We lost them. Yeah, they're missing. Well, except Beanie. She's super strong.
We've got to find the other ones before our grand opening guests start showing up in
Any minute! What do we do?
We can do this. Missy, you and DJ put the banner up and decorate for the grand opening. Posh, Beanie, and I find the Puppycorns.
Beanie, a little of that super strength?
Sparkly fiddlesticks. I don't think they're here.
Beanie. What did you hear?
Let's go!
Thanks, Puppycorns! Puppycorns?
We found the...
Puppycorns, we did too.
We need a plan.
You go that way, we'll go this way.
Now where are they?
How are we going to get them down?
Everyone, get ready.
Now we're ready for the grand opening of the Rainbocorn Rescue.
Help all the new Rainbocorns get some rest.
No problem, Nala. It's almost ready. Just need to feel out the acoustics of the room to finish it.
Aren't you all so cute? DJ, could you please watch the Rainbocorns? DJ? DJ? DJ! Please watch them while I'm gone.
Okay, DJ. Get in the zone. Time to create the perfect lullaby mix. Oh no! I need the most rainbow-tastic beat ever. Something that makes you want to party and fall asleep at the same time. Oh no! I am just now realizing I was supposed to be watching the Rainbocorns. Okay, back to work. Think, DJ, think! Daffy, you're gonna break my turntable! Rory, that's so beautiful! But can you please sing in the same note as the song? Hey, Peanut, what are you doing? Whoa, not bad! Spin that record, Daffy! Rory, go higher! Faster, Peanut! Yo! Rainbocorns got rhythm!
What is going on here?
I finished my lullaby mix!
What good is a lullaby if it makes them more awake?
They'll fall asleep eventually.
Hatch
Each day is so important. New Bunnycorns coming into the world. And how do we do it? Music!
That's why you wanted me here, Nala. So these Bunnycorns hatch with excellent music taste?
Of course. But remember, they have to hatch, no matter how cool the tunes are.
My name is DJ. I am a DJ. I was hatched for this moment. Oh.
We're so honored to welcome our soon-to-be fuzzy friends to Rainbowville. Let's break them out of their shells.
Ha!
That's my cue. Here we go!
I think it's making them too sleepy to hatch. Can you play something a little more upbeat?
Aha!
Alrighty now. Let's see if a little country will wake those Bunnycorns from their slumber.
Left, 1, 2. Right, 1, 2.
Oh no, DJ! The Bunnycorns don't know their left from right yet.
Okay, I have the perfect song.
This song seems to be casting a spell. Great job, DJ. Bugsy just popped out of her shell.
I know you can do this, DJ. And she's back in it. We've got to make them stop.
But they don't like classical country rock or pop.
Hey, did that just rhyme? That gives me an idea. What about hip-hop? That's it! Thanks, Posh! I thought I knew what they needed, but I needed a little help.
You did a great job, DJ. Now let's get this party started!
DJ, Posh, welcome to Rainbocorn Rescue. Once these Puppycorns hatch, it'll be grand opening time.
I'm so excited! Oh, I better get the welcome banner. Oh, I think the door locked behind me.
DJ, did you hear something?
I sure did. It's the sound of a new Puppycorn hatching!
Our first patient. So exciting! Oh, where's Posh? She would hate to miss this.
Oh, she's always up to something. What a cute bean! And strong. Oh, thanks, Doc.
That's what I'm here for. Now, let's record her height and weight. No, not that way. Now let's get your measurements.
So Beanie doesn't escape again.
Can anybody hear me? Am I in a thought bubble?
Hello? Great, 24 inches tall.
Come on! We have to catch her before she gets into any trouble. Well, any more trouble.
Oh, it's a door, DJ.
Beanie! We've got you now!
Don't worry, I'll grab the leash.
Help! I'm trapped in a closet and a thought bubble. I'm double trapped.
Posh? What happened to you?
I was locked in, but this Puppycorn rescued me. My hero.
Wow! Beanie must have super strength and super hearing.
Ooh, welcome all to the Kittycorn Ball, where every kittycorn gets a chance to shine. Take it away, girls!
As you all know, kittycorns love fashion, style, and expressing themselves.
So it's our honor to introduce the new class of kittycorns. First up, the cool and classic Clover, bringing it in a boa!
The notoriously nice Nori, sporting the biggest bow of the ball. And last but not least, Pippa? fashion emergency. There she is! Oh, what's the matter, Pippa?
Are you having trouble finding your fashion look? You know, sometimes you can't quite find what you're looking for. But if you keep an open mind, you might find fun ideas where you least expect them.
We've got some hungry people out there. Is the fashion show ready to continue?
We're almost ready, Nala. Pippa is just looking for inspiration.
Pippa!
You might find fun ideas where you least expect them, like right here.
Oh my glitter, Pippa! They're going to love it! Let's get you to the runway. Sorry for the delay. The final kitty corn of the evening is the very pretty and pioneering Pippa!